The last muscle that can restrict shoulder motion is the lat, and that can have a big effect on our flexion or our abduction due to the lat attaching in the shoulder here. So what we want to do is get our foam roller. We can kind of lay towards our side here. I'm on my left side right now trying to get the left lat. I'm going to bring my arm up overhead. I'm going to start at more of that insertion where the lat starts, and then I'm going to work my way into the middle of the lat. And what we want to do is, again, find where those tight spots are, and we're going to sit on them, and then we can work our arm through the motion. Coming down, coming up, we can rotate hand in and out, and this is going to really work that spot. What we can do is bring our hand to our head, and that will open up a little bit more so we can get subscapularis, which is that muscle underneath the scapula. Work for this for about 2 minutes.